I'm so excited to talk to you about Alkalol. I'm completely obsessed with nasal irrigation. I know that's like really awkward. Nasal irrigation, neti pot, nasal rinse, sinus wash, people call it a lot of different things. It's really very helpful for many people. It's not right for every single person. Some people can't do it because their sinuses are too little or they're completely blocked. But for the rest of us, this is what gets me through allergy season. So this is Alkalol. I'm going to show you how to use it. It comes in its own little box, and it also has this little guy right here, which is the nasal wash cup. So you want to make sure that you follow the instructions on the package. So, and they show you, here I'll show you on the back here. It shows you, you add a little bit of the Alkalol plus saline if you want it mild, and if you want it extra strong, you add mostly Alkalol and then the rest saline. So this is my saline, and it's not 7-Up. It's sterilized water. There's a few filters that will filter it well enough, but you want to make sure that there's no microbials or anything in it. And then I add a salt packet to it. You can also get a gallon of distilled water, keep it under your sink in the bathroom, and just refill this. I actually do my nasal wash in the shower, so that way I don't worry if I get wet. So I take water, I put 1 packet of salt in there, I shake it up, and then I leave it in the shower for when I need it. I like my sinus wash pretty strong. So what you do is you take this, you're gonna pour it into the hole. Let's see if I can do this so you can see it. And I like mine pretty strong. So it's about halfway there. Some days when I'm really, really nasty, snotty, boogery, I will do more than that. And then you fill the rest with saline. So there I am. Then you're gonna cover the hole and you're gonna put the little spout in your nose. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. And then you tilt your head. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You don't wanna tilt your head back because it'll go in your ears and it'll go down your throat. So you wanna kind of have your head forward, and you want it to go up one side of the nose, down the other side, and then out the nostril. It's okay if a little bit comes out of your mouth, but you really don't want most of it to go in your mouth. Okay, so here I go, ready? At gravity, I let go of the hole here. At gravity is taking care of the rest. So it's going up one side, down the other. It's kind of ready down my cheek. That's why I do it in the shower, so I don't worry about that. That's that. I'm going to grab a tissue. Okay, you don't want to blow your nose right away. After you do this, you want to let it sit there for a little bit. You can get rid of the little drippies. And you don't want to sniff really hard either, because you can make it go in your ears. Once you let it sit for a little while, then you can very, very gently blow your nose, and you'll get all sorts of stuff coming out. Now, you're going to want to do both sides. For this video, I'm just doing one side just to show you so you can see how to do it. And it makes your nose kind of feel minty fresh and open, and you can breathe. And this is profoundly helpful for postnasal drip, which can be devastating to a singer's voice. So I really, really recommend it if you're struggling with postnasal drip or allergies, hoarseness in your throat that you think is caused by allergies or postnasal drip. I also do this when I'm starting to feel sick. Like I have that little tickle in the back of my throat. I get my neti pot out and I rinse everything out. And I'll do that sometimes even every couple hours until the symptoms go away. So anyway, I would love to know what your neti pot experience is. If you like something different, feel free to comment below or send me a message or, text me if you have my number. All right, see you later. Bye.